Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to hide the taskbar on Windows. So let's begin the video. At first, right-click on an empty area of your taskbar. Click on Taskbar Settings from the menu. Now you have to enable Auto Hide. Under Taskbar, you will see Automatically Hide the Taskbar in Desktop Mode option. Turn this toggle on and your taskbar will hide automatically and reappear when you move your mouse to the bottom of the screen. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them on the comment below.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.